Imagine a world where every time you sneeze, something magical happens. The video starts with a person sneezing and suddenly, a shower of confetti bursts out of their nose. Each sneeze triggers a different fun surprise. The next sneeze brings a rainbow-colored unicorn balloon. The third sneeze causes a mini dance party to start, complete with flashing lights and disco music. The final sneeze turns the person's hair into a funky, neon-colored style. The video ends with the person laughing and holding up a tissue box with a sign that says, "Who knew sneezing could be so much fun?"